Hey, what's up, 3-valve lovers? Hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. It's 3-valve Wednesday, but yes, you're getting this video on Thursday because we had a huge power outage here at Brent Speed and everything went to shit yesterday. But this is gonna be cool because a lot of you asked, I know you watch supercharged cars in here all the time in the dyno, you watch Coyotes, but today we took a bone stock 08 GT manual that came in with 93 octane. We ran it on the dyno stock and we did our top 5 mod list that I love doing for naturally aspirated to a 3-valve Mustang. And I will put a link in the description so you can watch like a 30-minute video when I talk about very detailed all these mods. But we are going to look at them. We are going to talk about it. We're going to watch it before and after dyno pull. And hey, please, if you haven't, subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, before we go down and look at this, I want to remind you, okay, bone stock. 3-valve Mustang, 05 to 09. This is the body style right here. Laid down about, this one did, I think, 262 real horsepower. We are going to watch that dyno pull. We are going to look at that graph, but we're going to overlay with the new mods we installed. Now, if you've watched that top 5 video, I talk about the top 5 favorite mods I love for your 3-valve Mustang, leaving it naturally aspirated. Hey, if you have a stock car, it's a really good video to watch. But Doug, come down here and take a look. We installed everything at one time. So what do we have? Start off, intake tune, mod 1. JLT, 110 millimeter cold air intake with our custom tune. That's available for install or mail order. We have the power up kit. Killer Ford Racing manifold, Ford Racing twin 62 throttle body mounted on top. A set of Detroit rocker camshafts. Gotta love the loopy sound of the Detroit rocker cams. They're super popular. We want a set of pipes, long tube headers with high flow cats. 304 stainless, really good price. And I will put a link in the description. You can click on like every one of these parts I'm talking about, as well as watch that other video. I have links in there as well. And we followed it up with a set of under drive pulleys by Stita. So it's the top 5 NA mods. We added right around 90 real horsepower to this 3-valve. I will take a minute at the end and go over that graph for you. A couple other mods. We did an upgraded clutch and flywheel. We did an aluminum drive shaft, and we built a ram. So awesome set of like Mosier axles, upgraded diff, set of 373 gears. This thing went from stock to a super killer, naturally aspirated street car. Pretty much, good power out of a 3-valve Mustang. Check out this dyno pulls. All right, we're gonna check out these numbers. I'm gonna click around to show you different gains throughout the RPM range. But this is basically, I call it bolt-on. Sometimes people say cams aren't bolt-on parts. I do consider them that. So that's my top 5 mods. You gotta watch that video. You have a stock 3-valve Mustang to learn a lot more about everything I just showed you. But Doug, come over and take a look. So bone stock, 300 horse NA 3-valve Mustang, rear wheel, Dynojet SAE, 262 at 5200. With all the mods we installed, 353 at 6700. We're talking stock heads, okay? We're talking all these bolt-on parts I showed you. Max torque, 287 at 4300, 314 at 4900. But what do these numbers mean? I'm gonna talk a little bit about this. What's max? All these, like when you look at a dyno graph, they just show you like the peak, okay? The highest it hit on the pull. But what they don't show you when you look at those numbers are other areas, maybe like down low. They're not going to be as high as the peak. Or up top, where a stock graph falls off, it's not going to like really show you that. We are going to look at it right now. So as an example, Doug, come over here. We're looking at, see this? This is at 6,100 or 6,200 RPM. We're going to go up. At that point, we're making 343 real horsepower modded, 254 stock. All right, awesome gain right there. I mean, you can look at the spread. Torque 292 with the mods, stock 217. All right, so earlier when we looked at peak versus peak, maybe torque only looked like, let's say 30, but if you look through here, look at these like gains in here. You know, 244 torque stock versus 307 at 5600. We'll go way down here. Let's go down to like 4300. 313 modded versus 287, and then, you know, rear wheel horse 237 versus 258. So it's a great way to add a ton of power to your stock 3-valve Mustang. You know, a lot of people are like, I want a blower. Yes, if you got the money, you can get a blower. You can have more real horsepower than that, bolting it on your stock car. So where we're at 353 with bolt-on mods, you might be at 440, let's say, with like our throwback package, just bolting that on there. Douglas, walk around here, get a little another view. But you know, not everyone has money for a blower just like right out of the box. So what's cool about building an NA car is you can, you know, buy a little bit of a time. All these parts, you know, I would suggest a tune, like at the beginning, cold air tune. But every part I just showed you that we did all at once on this, you could do a little bit here, a little bit there, save up, do it. And honestly, that's what a lot of people do. I just thought it was really cool. This car came in bone stock. He's like, I want all this at once. So we did like the top 5 video right there. All the bolt-on mods, Lopi camshafts, you gotta love it. 93 octane manual transmission. It's a, you know, really, really cool car. So hey, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. We're in Indiana. Quote at brentspeed.com is, hey, what's it cost to come here to get this installed and open those details in that video. I will have links to all the products we talked about, as well, more importantly, a link to the other video I did where I spent about a half hour explaining how all these parts work. So if you're new to the Mustang world, it's a really cool video to watch, and I suggest you do that. And I love Coyotes, I love F-150s, but I love 3 valves. 3-valve Wednesday. Thanks so much for watching. Although the video came out on Thursday, sorry I probably went out. Have a great day.